Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by opening Google Calendar with your Google account signed in. First, click Create or tap the plus icon to begin an event. Give it a clear title and select the date. Next, set the start time and duration and make sure you pick the right calendar, work versus personal, so notifications behave correctly. Once done, add a location or conferencing option if needed. This rapid setup gets the appointment on the right timeline and visible to the right people. Now you'll add the details that make the appointment actionable. Use the description box for the agenda, links, or attachments so everyone has context. That reduces back and forth. Then invite guests by entering their emails and choose guest permissions, allowing modification or not, so you control edits. Add Google Meet or another conferencing option if remote, and set notification reminders at practical intervals. These middle steps ensure participants know what to expect and how to join, preventing confusion before the event. Finish by double-checking time zones and clicking Save, then send to notify guests. You're confirming the appointment. If you need to change it, edit the event or drag it to a new slot, and make sure to update guests so calendars sync. If someone reports not receiving an invite, ask them to check their spam, verify the email address, and confirm your calendar is shared or visible. This final pass and one troubleshooting tip prevent missed appointments and keep everyone aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.